welcome. The COVID-19 lockdown period during April 2020 demonstrated the capability and flexibility of the national transporter, the Indian Railways. It rose to the occasion and moved 40,000 wagons of essential food supplies and transported 4.8 million tons between April 1st and April 22nd. Another good train. From 1st April to 12th April 2020, Indian Railway transported 36,724 wagons of food grain, 864 wagons of sugar, 1,753 wagons of salt, 606 wagons of tanks edible oil, and 14,317 wagons of fertilizer. One wagon will contain about 58 to 60 ton consignment. Indian Railways continued its effort to ensure that farm products like food grains are picked up on time and transported nationwide between 1st April and 22nd April. The total grains loaded and transported by Indian Railways was 4.8 million tons as compared to 1.8 million tons in the corresponding period in the last year. Close coordination is being maintained with the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers for the movement and availability of fertilizers for the upcoming Kharif season, and also close association is being maintained with Ministry of Agriculture for food grains loading. Essentially, the Indian Railways is doing a very commendable job in ensuring that essential items, food grains, and items which are necessary for the production of those food grains are also available at the factories at the appropriate time and just in time. In order to ensure that kitchens of all Indian homes continue to run normally, on a single day on 22nd April, Indian Railways did a record food grain loading of 112 rakes, equivalent to 3.13 lakh tons, beating the previous best food grain loading of 92 lakhs or 2.5 lakh tons on 9th April and 89 racks of 2.49 lakhs on 14th April 2020 and again on 8th April 2020. Turnaround time on empty racks also were coordinated very well, and locomotives were optimized with the second locomotive on freight trains shut down on return trips of containing empty racks. Efforts have been made to ensure that farm products like food grains are picked up on time and also ensure supply during the nationwide lockdown period. The loading, transportation and unloading of these essential commodities has also been in progress in full swing during the lockdown period. Close coordination with the ministries also is done on a periodic basis. Let us join hands and then appreciate the Indian Railways. Jai Hind. Stay safe during this lockdown period. Subscribe and thank you very much for watching.